In the blink of an eye, you're transported to a mid-century home where elegance and nature blend effortlessly. The entrance, an inviting wooden door surrounded by rich textures, promises the warmth inside. Step into a living room filled with light, where retro seating invites you to relax and bask in the warmth. In the kitchen, minimalist design meets vibrant style, with eye-catching details throughout. The bedroom offers serene solitude, with panoramic views ensuring a restful ambiance. Outside, a sleek patio summons mid-century charm with green accents that echo nature's beauty.